Here's the stoplight. It is so huge. I am live right now. Well, here's the stoplight. I'll head over to the Goodman, which is outside. I'll show you it. I'm gonna turn it off. Now there it is. Well done. Holy crap, it's burning out here. I am barefoot out here. There's the pool right here. The camera will push it. Here it is. Been running all day. It's a huge. Not this hot. That's a very nice red freaking logo right there. And here very cold and sweaty. Here's my wet hand. Let me feel the liquid on it. Warm. You're right. Can't go up to the Ducane. It's running. I'm not gonna go up to it. There's the water well. It's a very sunny day. In my shower, and look at the sun on the pool. Now grass going into it. Sounds pretty good though. Don't know what I heard. That scared the shit out of me. They're coming out as well. And look at what happened here. A dent. Maybe it's from when I took it in February. That's going good. doesn't have to be burning hot. And alright, done tone. That one is very warm. I don't know what. But all I know is that there's something right here. Put the camera on. I used to go inside of this thing. Well, I'm gonna go in it right now. Because I'll show you from the inside. Because that's where the basement is. I think I'm going to put the camera right here until I get in. Somehow. My hands on the thing. Yeah. In. Going. Here it is from the inside. There's the basement. It's dark. Now, I'm just gonna get out. Okay. Outside. That took me a while to get out of there. Ducane. Okay. Hey, Dad. My dad is inside. I've always been thinking that that thing was like coil erosion. But that is not. That right there is something for the warm air to be sucked in all out of the top. Now I'll show you how I get in here. First, you lift. I think I'll have to set the gas. Now open it. And then get inside. I am barefoot. I don't know why. No I gotta grab the camera. This should be like an introduction. The video's gonna be 15 minutes, but not gonna have the intro. Until July, I guess. Put it inside until I even get in. Very, very tiny in here. Almost as big as the Gia of the 2008 Keybright. It's very tiny, that unit. But plus, I think that's even smaller than it. Because I'm going deep in here for whatever reason. That's a stupid idea. I'm gonna get out. Again, I just wanted to do one little thing. You can hear the Goodman. Okay, grab the camera. Hard to get out. Anyways, I'm gonna head back to the traffic light. You can't hear the Goodman coming there. But anyways, when I get out, there's another one of those things. I'm gonna head back into the garage where the traffic light is. There's the pool. I'll be taking a recording of it. Here's the traffic light Ducane. Whoops. Now, here it is. Mom just scared the crap out of me. It's okay, she's my mom. I'm gonna sit this up right here. I'm not gonna go that way since the pool is open. Want to take a different way. Gonna walk through the driveway. This pavement is not original. There used to be so many rocks on here. This is gonna be a live stream. Goodman's still on. No, anyways, I'm gonna go. inside of here. And keep the camera on the Goodman. Sorry that I just... There's the bottom of the Goodman. I won't be able to get to the fan right now. Well, gotta get out of here. Watch this. Whoa. This rally pushes. It's kind of shaky. Like, comment, and subscribe. Listen to this one's hum. And look at all this crap on it. Oh my gosh, this needs a cleaning. Hopefully it has 1989 Carrier Tech 2000 in Ajax. And remember when I found that I did film some York Stellars. One was rare with a 2-blade pin. All those other ones were like from the early 90s or 80s. That's the house. One with 2 blades. All of the 90s ones had 4 blades. And the driving wheel at the beginning. Now I'm gonna head over the backyard. Oh, Mom. It's a hot day. Luckily, I have that pool that was built in 2022. Here's the shed. I think my dad will want it. Look, it's accessible to see all the shit in here. The tractor. This video is going to be 20 minutes long. Here's more shit. So much shit in here. And there's a hose, which I'm not going to touch, and there's an inflatable thing. Oh, that looks like a little raft. Some stupid little bricks. started my channel in April 2023. On April 15th. Go to the link when I created this channel. Sorry about the music. Goodman still on. And go right up. Ducane still on. And then this will be an instant premiere. I'll show you guys the furnace. And then I'll end the video. There's some blue things on the video right there. This is my cat, Mila. Meow. Just a meowing. Who's your baby? She's a very nice kitty. She loves to go outside. This video should not be edited. It's going to be live. And make sure to leave some chat. I'll be live soon. Today. Mario stuff. Whoops. Just hit my stupid blue Diet foot. And the furnace. Very warm liquid line, very cold and sweaty. The suction line, very cold thing right here. Look at all the duct work. People must have worked really hard when this furnace and that Goodman outside was installed. Anyways, there's a fan right there. I'm going to install that soon. Hope you enjoyed this live stream. Out.